Debra Stewart. I live in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm a sales rep for eyewear. Since 2013 is when it started. I noticed something was wrong and it just kept on building. I would say the past year and a half is when it really got bad. I have these trays that have eyeglasses in them, and I have to flip up the lid thing to open it up. And that all day long calling on eye doctors, it got so bad I couldn't do it. I had several injections for a good year and a half when this really got bad. My rheumatologist injected it quite a bit, and finally the last time she said, you're going to have to do something about it because you're not getting relief, and it was only lasting like 2 weeks, the steroid injections were. My daughter's a nurse, and I told her I didn't want to have the traditional surgery where they take the ligament down and roll it up and take that joint out. I said, I'll have surgery when they can put an implant in there. And so she did some research and she found your link, the implant link, and I searched to find a doctor in the area, and there was one here in Louisville, Dr. Hazel. I wanted to come out being normal again, to be able to be pain-free. That was my main thing. I knew I probably wouldn't have complete movement or like I did before all of this started, but I'm pretty much there. It's pretty great. Three-month post is when I was like, I'm feeling great. So 3 months out, I could tell a big difference. And then 3 months later after that, it's just, I can't even tell I've had it unless I overuse it, but that's fine. It's amazing. A lot. Not having to rely on people to open things, lift things, with my hand, because I'm bad at, even though I'm right-handed, I'm bad at using my left hand all the time. I'd carry my briefcase with my iPads and stuff in my left hand, and I couldn't do it. Because, opening doors and everything with your right hand so it was a struggle, and now it's not. Don't wait as long as I did. I wish I would have done it when it first started instead of going through all those injections. Dr. Hazel is a very professional and kind surgeon. I really like him.